Look up. Good day, everyone. I am Bob Lopez, and I welcome you to Pathways of Hope. Today's gospel is from the Gospel of Luke. We read Jesus warning the disciples of what is to come, that there will be invasions, natural calamities, and violence. There will be signs in the sun, moon, and the stars, and nations will be in dismay because of the roaring of the sea and the waves. Looking around us, we may be thinking, this is what Jesus has foretold. We can get very scared about the end of the world. But with Jesus' warning came his instructions as well. He said, stand erect and raise your heads because your redemption is at hand. He said, look up. When bad things are happening in the world, he says, look up. When there are illnesses, diseases, despair, deaths, he said, look up. He sees all these things and he sees us all individually. He invites us to look up to him who is faithful. He reminds us not to focus on what is around us, the evil in the world, the corruption in the hearts of men, or even the calamities. He's asking us to look up. He is asking us to look to him and trust him because he will always be loving, faithful, and merciful towards each of us. He can never be untrue to himself. He encourages us to seek him above all else, and everything will fall into place according to his will. The Advent season is about to start, and we are reminded to prepare for his second coming. So, during this coming season, let us look to him in hope. How? Through prayer, scriptures, sacraments, and service, always focusing not on ourselves but on him who is with us in prayer, scriptures, and sacraments. He's also in our neighbor whom we serve. So let us not fear. Let us be excited because the one we have been living our lives for is coming. Let's all stand erect and raise our heads. Indeed, our redemption is near. Look up. If you were blessed by this reflection, kindly like and share. God bless you all and have a blessed Advent season